Question 26 is about equation of circle. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's find the basic information and interpret. Okay, first, okay. For C1, let me mark down. For C1, C2, center is negative D over negative D is negative 8 over 2, which will be equal to 4, okay? And C and Y is at negative 6 over 2, which will be equal to 3, okay? For C2, wait, please express in terms of the standard form. What is the standard form? Standard form should be x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0, okay? Whole thing divided by 2, x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y plus 33 divided by 2 equal to 0, okay? So negative 6 over 2 should be negative 3. Negative 8 over 2, which should be 4, okay? So this is center, okay? Center, and then we can also obtain the information of the radius, okay? For C1, what is the radius? The radius should be equal to root 4 square plus 3 square minus f, okay? It should be equal to 20, which should be equal to root 5, okay? And the radius of C2, root negative 3 square plus 4 square minus 33 over 2, which should be equal to root 17 over 2, okay? Then after we know the information, we can actually obtain a lot of information, okay? So area, okay? Area of circle, okay? C1, C2, area of circle, pi r squared equals to 5 pi, okay? Area of circle will be pi r squared, which will be equal to 17 over 2 pi. So this one is larger, right? So one is not correct, okay? And then OG1 is perpendicular to OG2. Okay, so let's see. OG1, okay, OG1 and OG2, the slope, right? We can actually use the center this one, right? OG1, what is OG1? What is the slope of OG1? Which should be equal to 3 minus 0 over 4 minus 0, okay? Times, what is the slope of OG2? The slope of OG2 is 4 minus 0 over negative 3 over 0, okay? Which will be negative 3, and then this one, okay? Which will be equal to negative 1. So they are perpendicular, right? Okay, so let's see. For part 3, O is equidistant from G1 to G2. Okay, what is the distance between G10 and G10 and O? Okay, it should be equal to root 4 minus 0 squared plus 3 minus 0 squared, which will be equal to 5. Okay, then what about for G2O? This distance will be negative 3 minus 0 squared plus 4 minus 0 squared, which will also be equal to 5. So they are equidistant. So the answer for question 26 will be D.